Happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. I'm Seana Smith along with Dave Brace. Let's get you up to speed on this afternoon's market action because still a bit of a mixed picture. We got that slightly hotter than expected inflation print out this morning. That's putting some pressure on the Dow. We're looking at losses of just 83 points here. NASDAQ holding on to gains up just about 0.5%. You're looking at the S&P barely positive here. The market's really trying to figure out what exactly this inflation print will mean for the Fed, whether or not it means that the Fed is going to continue raising rates here, maybe higher than we had initially anticipated. Looking at the bond market, not much movement here. You're looking at the 10-year yield now to the upside, up just about 5 basis points. Some pressure in the crude markets, which we'll get to in just a bit here. But the SPR release announced from the Biden administration that's putting some pressure on the price of crude this afternoon, falling below $80 a barrel. Taking a look at the sector action that we are seeing this afternoon, certainly a mixed picture. You have consumer discretionary technology really leading today's momentum. On the flip side, consumer staples, real estate lagging behind. A couple of big earnings reports that we will be covering after the bell this afternoon. We have Airbnb and TripAdvisor, both of those expected to cross shortly after the close. I mean, you take a look at the travel sector more broadly, certainly looking at gains. You have Airbnb up just about 3% ahead of that report. Booking.com up just about 2%. Marriott, they were out with earnings earlier today. That's up just about 3% there. So lots of green on the screen when it comes to those travel names, Dave.
A little bit of red on this Valentine's Day.
A little bit.
So I have to ask you,
Yeah.
do you or don't you Valentine's Day?
What do you mean?
Do you participate?
Yeah,
52% of Americans do. Oh, for the kids.
Yeah, and
but
I get
not
my
with your
husband a
husband.
card.
Oh,
A card, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe I'll get flowers if I'm lucky. I haven't yet, though. So
Do you
we'll see.
expect it?
No.
Okay, yeah, we don't play. We don't play that game.
The bar is very low.
The National Retail Federation says we'll spend on average $192 a person, and I always think to myself,
we are far below that in our household.
we are zero.
Yeah.
Yeah, other than the kids.
Yeah,
I
other than
don't
kids.
play
We
that
had to get
game.
the Valentine's Day for the class.
I get no credit if I bring home flowers on Valentine's Day, so why do it? All right.